up in a vert. Santa Claus of the hood, I pull up with the work. They call me East Atlanta Santa, run up on me, get murked. I'm just trapping through the snow, selling 9 heifer bricks and 4 waves. Over the hills we go, got an extendo and an AK.
Ho, ho, ho! Yo, that's right! It's your boy, Trap motherfucking Santa 2 times!
Bruh.
Merry motherfucking Christmas to all the badasses out there. It's your boy, Pretty Boy Fredo, aka Fredo 2 times. And oh yeah, it's game time. You see the fit. Woo! Bitch, I feel like Trap Santa. Jasmine is on the naughty list this year, and I have something very special planned for Jasmine. So I made a trip to the rental dealership, and I rented me a beautiful sports car. Oh my God, it's so sexy. It is so sexy. Now the reason why I rented this car is because Jasmine's gonna think that she's gonna be getting a brand new car.
Bitch, wait.
But little does she know that this is a rental and we have to bring it back by 4 o'clock. Jasmine, you're on the naughty list this year. And let's run this shit the fuck up. Let's go. I'm trapping through the snow on a big slide. Let's get it, man. Let's go. Trap Santa.
Babe.
Ho, ho, ho. Trap Santa is here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm Trap Santa.
You're Trap Santa? You look ridiculous.
I heard you've been on the naughty list this year.
The naughty list?
You been on the naughty list?
No.
You need a little spanking?
No. Hey.
Trap Santa's gonna get that ass a little bit later. Trap Santa has a surprise for you.
Okay.
Okay, I wanna take this blindfold and I'm gonna take you somewhere special.
I don't know, you scare me.
Put this around your eyes. Hurry up! For Trap Santa digging that ass. Put that over your face.
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
You're dressed up in a Santa suit.
I have a big surprise for you. Just know that I have a big surprise. On a serious note.
Is this real?
This is real. Put it over your face.
You sure?
Yes.
Scary.
All right, so I'm gonna walk you outside. Let's go. Are you ready?
Yeah. This is not.
He has a big surprise for you. Are you ready?
I'm scared.
Keep walking.
Keep walking.
Keep walking. We almost
Where are we?
there. I want you to take a look down the street. Tell me what you see.
Cars.
Okay.
A yellow car.
Okay, what else do you see?
Restaurants.
Restaurants.
Are you taking me to get some food?
How about this to enlighten you?
What the hell are you doing? Babe, what are you doing?
Guess what, baby?
What?
Merry Christmas.
You're lying.
Merry Christmas.
Lying.
Trap Santa has made it happen.
You're lying.
Guess what, baby?
No.
That is yours.
You're lying.
I swear. Merry motherfucking Christmas from Trap Santa.
You're joking.
I'm not joking. That is
really
yours.
the key?
That is really yours.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Trap Santa has made dreams come true.
This is not real.
This is real. Your brand new car.
You're lying.
Corvette Stingray. Oh my God. How you feeling? How you feeling? Merry Christmas.
It's beautiful.
It's Christmas.
Is this really my car?
This is your car.
It's a drop top? Oh my God.
Merry Christmas. She's so happy.
Babe.
I love you.
I love you.
She's so happy. How you feel? Merry Christmas. Yeah, look, across the street. Clap it up, guys. There you go. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Oh my God. This can't be real.
This is real, baby. This is real life.
Oh my.
Whoa, you look good in that thing, girl. She's so happy. Look, they're all congratulating you, baby. This is from Santa. Look at Grandma. There we go. They're so happy for you. Oh, let's go.
Baby, I want to drive it.
Okay.
Baby, this car is fucking dope.
Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
You want to give it? You want to give it your first spin? She is so happy. That Corvette.
I don't want anything ever again.
All right, wait for these cars to go.
Okay.
Oh, your first job! Woo! Oh, her brand new car!
Oh my God, baby.
Yeah!
Amazing.
Drop it to the streets.
I'm gonna get shot right now.
Over the hills we go. Trapping all the way.
Babe, this is insane. Like I never thought I would get.
Never know what Trap Santa will do for you, man.
This is insane. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you.
Trap Santa loves you too, okay? Okay. We'll just enjoy the
I
day.
just want to drive around all day.
You just want to drive around all day? You want to flex?
Making my way to the crowd.
And I need you.
Hey.
And I miss you.
Raindrop!
Young rich niggas. You know what I'm saying?
Raindrop! Drop top!
We got a whole lot of new money though.
If you're rich enough, I'm gonna shoot you. Hold on! Raindrop! Drop top!
Smoking, no cooking, the hot box.
Like the best Christmas ever. Like I don't know how you're ever gonna top this for years to come.
All right, so
Ever.
look, I got one more surprise.
More surprise, what else could you do? Going.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. I got somewhere very special, okay? Second surprise of your car, okay?
Okay.
We almost there, okay?
None of this looks like somewhere nice and fancy that you're taking
Don't
me.
worry.
I'm a little confused.
You're a little confused?
Yeah.
You don't know where we're going?
No.
You're gonna make a right up here, baby. We almost there.
Where?
Right here, right here. Make it right, make it right, make it right, make it right.
Babe, what do you?
Make it right.
Why are we here? Babe, why are we here?
Go right, baby.
Babe, why are we here?
Do you see where we at?
Baby, what did you do? Baby, this is not funny. What is this? I hate you.
Baby,
What?
I'm sorry, but
I hate you.
it's a rental.
This is not.
It's a rental.
I don't believe you. This isn't funny.
It's a rental, baby. We gotta return the car.
Why'd you do this to me?
It's a rental. I'm sorry, baby.
I was so excited. I hate you.
I'm sorry.
No, it's not funny.
We gotta return it.
I can't believe you were filming this the whole time. I thought I got a new car. I hate you. You can never just be nice to me.
I'm sorry, baby.
Funny.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I love you.
Your punishment.
I love you.
No, get away from me.
I love you.
I hate you.
I love you, baby. I'm sorry, but Merry Christmas.
What am I gonna get for Christmas now?
What are you really gonna get for Christmas? Well, we got her to get the fuck out their car. But what you really gonna get for Christmas, we gonna see. That is to be told.
Do you know what you're getting?
What am I getting?
Coal.
I'm getting coal.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho! Trap Santa. Count that out as a motherfucking W. That's a W for Trap Santa, baby. Let's get the fuck out of here, man.
Yeah, get me out this damn car. I don't want any more.
Hit that like button! hit that motherfucking like button, man. Trap Santa. You like Trap Santa?
No, I hate you.
I love Trap Santa.